Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I am tackling the project that needs to be done because I'm currently 37.5 weeks pregnant. I have got to prepare for this baby, so here we are. We've gotten all of our baby stuff out of storage. I've ordered all like the baby essentials that we were missing. I'm just gonna share with you guys everything I have and we're gonna try to organize it. And then we are also doing my maternity shoot on Monday, and I have a dress that is from this photographer who came out with a modest wear maternity line for photo shoots, and so she sent it to me and I'm so excited. It's very, very me, very simple and elegant. I cannot wait to share that with you guys. Let me show you guys the state of this room. So you guys know we organized and got Elena's toys all situated in here, but now we have all the baby stuff that I've got to get under control. Also, we got a new bouncer, and Elena, of course, was super interested in it, so I was trying to show her that we're going to be putting the baby in here. Elena wanted to sit in here. She was about to break it. Also, you guys, there was a big warning label right here that was so ugly, so I took my tiny little eyebrow scissors and I took that out, and it just makes me so happy that it's not there anymore. I know you can kind of still see like a little bit of an outline, but it's way better than like a big orange sticker right next to your baby's face whenever you're going to be taking pictures of them, like right here. I have heard so many good things about this bouncer. It's by Baby Bjorn. It's really soft and I feel like I'm gonna really love it. We've got the little baby bath, we have the car seat mirror, we have the little stroller fan, we've got my breast pump, the breast pillow, snuggle me lounger. We've got it all. So let's get to organizing. Also, I have a couple of Amazon orders of like a bunch of baby stuff. Maybe I'll go ahead and unbox these first. Okay, I thought we'd sit in the more clean area of this room just so it's not so cluttered looking. But the first Amazon package I got, some of this stuff is for my hospital bag. Actually, I got a little duffel bag to use as a hospital bag to bring with me. So I'm gonna open that next. This is a little like waffle knit robe. I really wanted like a nice luxurious robe for postpartum and to bring with me to the hospital, and I'm really happy with the quality of this one. It's just really, really nice. It came in a bunch of different colors and I got a size small. I actually tried this on earlier and I kind of want it a little bit more oversized, so I may even return it for the medium. So anyways, but that's a good one. Here is the duffel bag that I got that I thought would be cute as a hospital bag. I think I'm still gonna bring a little roller luggage, like the mini ones, but I just wanted a duffel bag as well. This comes with a little toiletry bag, which is really cute. It needs to fluff out a little bit because I just opened it, but cute, right? I love that, and it looks like really chic with the little quilted pattern. Some more pajamas actually for my hospital bag. I thought we'd do blue for baby boy, and I needed like some button-down pajamas that were like, I don't know. These are such good quality and like super soft. Love this set. This comes in a ton of other colors too. Okay, lastly, I got a pack of these burp cloths. I don't know why I said lastly, because there's a whole bunch more stuff in another box. These are like the best, most absorbent burp cloths for baby, and I couldn't find any of the ones that I had for Elena. I guess I got rid of all of them, but very necessary. This is not for baby, this is actually for Elena, but I had to share this with you guys because it's so cute. Okay, so Crocs are like all the rage for toddlers, and I can see why, because they're like super easy to like slip on and they're just the best toddler shoes. I actually don't have any for her yet, but they are coming. I got her these little charms. How freaking cute. They're pearls and daisies. I'm just so excited. Box number 2, I got this little white toiletry bag so I can pack all my hospital bag stuff in here. Now we're getting to more baby stuff. I got Comotomo bottles. These are like the best, or the ones that Elena liked the most. To me, they're just very, very similar to the actual breast. So love these. Got the baby newborn pacifiers. I need to sterilize these, but these are the ones that Elena loved when she was a baby. They have more of like a flat nipple, and I just feel like that's just more better shape for their palate. Some neutral ones for a baby boy. I guess I ordered more burp cloths. I didn't realize, but I guess you can never have too many. This is a little swaddle blanket from Aiden and Anai. I had the same one for Elena. It had little roses all over it. This was like my favorite blanket for her because it's like really stretchy and lightweight, but it's still warm. I don't know. So I saw that they had one that could be gender neutral, you know, not like pink and roses, so I got it for the baby. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I saw this baby carrier. If any of you have seen those baby carriers that are like super cute, where it's like wrap and it starts out as a big long piece of fabric and then you wrap up your baby, I cannot for the life of me learn how to do that. I don't know. I think mentally I just can't do it. This looks like one of those, but it looks like it's a lot easier to get on because there's like straps and buckles and stuff. It still looks like one of those, but it's not as complicated. This is by the brand Coney. See, this is the back. So you can like actually, you have places to like put your arms. It's like very clear. We're gonna figure it out, but I just loved the color and I loved the way it looked, and it just looked a lot easier and had really good reviews. Got some mama stuff. These are the Always Discreet. If you know, you know. These are the postpartum diapers that are so much better than the ones the hospital gives you. I got a couple different nursing bras to try this time. I liked that these were like seamless and looked like a normal bra, but they were a nursing bra, you know what I mean? Last time I had a bunch of these, which are great to wear to like sleep and around the house and stuff. But if you're like, you know, getting dressed for the day, I wanted one like this, so I'll let you guys know how I like them. Okay, lastly, I picked up a few like newborn essentials, which include gas relief drops. These were lifesavers for us during the newborn stage with Elena. Gripe water is also really good for fussiness, colicky babies, and gas. I really just hope that this baby's not as colicky as Elena was. That was so hard on me mentally. I also got the Baby Windy, which you guys haven't heard of this. You just put it in their little bottom and they expel the gas, and it really works. So anyways, I'm just like getting prepared for colic this time just in case. I also just picked up some nasal spray drops. I have the little Nose Frida to like suck any gunk out. I got my favorite baby shampoo and baby wash. This is by Shea Moisture and it's the coconut oil one, and it smells so good. Let me smell it. It brings back all the memories of when Elena was so tiny. That's why I wanted to get the same one again, because I just want to remember both of my babies with this scent. That is everything that I've ordered. I need to separate like all the mom stuff that I'm like packing in my hospital bag, get that out of here, and then organize all of the newborn stuff in some of these drawers, which Elena still has a lot of her clothes in here, so they're just gonna kind of be sharing this for now. Once we move into the next house, inshallah, I'll get his own dresser and stuff, but for now this is just kind of what it's gonna be like for the next couple months. Let's get to organizing. This dresser is now all ready for me to organize. This side is empty on the top, and then I still have some of baby boy's bigger clothes and like swaddle blankets and stuff in the lower drawers. But this side is basically going to be the baby's side, and then this side is Elena's. I still have all of her comfy clothes and like daily outfits and stuff in here. I got all of her dresses and stuff, hung them up, so we are ready to go. How stinking cute is this little overall set? I love that so much. I forgot how tiny newborn diapers are. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Look how tiny. Oh my gosh. Here is where we are at right now. We have all of like basic onesies and pants, swaddles, and some like long sleeves, a little bit more special occasion, not occasion, but just special outfits. These are basically all of his newborn clothes. Next we have like all of like the health related stuff, grooming, bath time stuff, Elena's little brush that I used on her. I'm gonna use it for baby boy. Just like the baby nail clippers and the electric nail file. I have the Nose Frida Aquaphor, the best for diaper rash, hands down. I had these left over from Elena that I never opened, and I checked and they were not expired or anything, but it's like a all-purpose balm. This is a chest and foot rub. I don't know if I'll use that, but I just had it, so I added it. I also have some water wipes. Newborn diapers, like I said, are so tiny. This drawer is packed to the brim, but it's got basically clothes that aren't going to fit him for a few months. We have a bunch of swaddle blankets, carriers, things like that, and then this little pacifier clip that I had left over from Elena as well. I got out this little diaper caddy, so I'm gonna have it next to my Peanut. I can bring it out to the living room if I need to, so I'm gonna fill this up with diapers, wipes, all the essentials. So for now, we just have diapers and wipes and some Aquaphor, but I'll figure out what else I need. Oh, maybe some burp cloths I'll add in here. That's good to go. We are making progress, but I still have to like clean up all of this. So once I do that, I think we will be good to go. All right, we are finished. Put together the little play mat. I need to put it away for now though, because Elena needs to play in here and I know she's gonna want to jump all over this thing. Also, Omar has been sleeping in this room. I had to take the mattress out of here to do this video, just full transparency. If you guys have watched my like pregnancy Q&A recently, talked about how our sleeping situation is all over the place because Elena still sleeps with me and Omar is such a light sleeper. He literally cannot sleep with Elena in the bed. He's been sleeping in here and it's gonna be a hot mess when the baby gets here, but I just need you guys to pray for me. We have, let me show you what's on this changing table. So I have my little caddy for diapers and wipes. I have my wipe warmer. I got out my little Hatch sound machine. This is new. I did not use this for Elena when she was a newborn. It's the Kikaroo Peanut, but I'm really excited to use this as our changing mat this time around. And then I'm gonna sterilize the bottle and the pacifiers. This is Elena's little caddy of like diapers and wipes. We are all organized. This makes me so happy. Ah! Yay. It is maternity photo shoot day. I just finished up my makeup. I'm about to go attempt to do my own hair. I decided I'm gonna do some photos with my hair out just for me to have and for family to see and stuff, because I was thinking like my kids are not gonna have any like photos of me that actually look good of me with my hair from when I was like young. So I was like, I'll just, since it's in a studio and it's private, I'm just gonna try to take some without my hijab. So I'm gonna go try to curl it. I have not curled my hair myself in literally years, so wish me luck. I always like to use a straightener, or at least I used to before I was a hijabi. How many times do you guys, if you wear hijab, do you actually fix your hair in a given month or so? I actually don't fix my hair very often because I try to get the treatments that I can just maintain it on a normal basis, like the Brazilian blowout and all that stuff. I really just try to invest in getting my hair done so that like on a daily basis I don't have to put as much work in. I don't know. I probably should like put more effort into my hair though, but it's so hard, especially now with kids. So anyways, I'm gonna go work on my hair and I will show you guys. Actually, let me show you guys my dress. Okay, so I know it doesn't look like much. It's super long. There's a really long train and it's obviously a very neutral color. I was actually freaking out like a couple weeks ago on my Instagram trying to figure out what the heck I was gonna wear to this maternity shoot that was modest, and one of my followers, her name's Rafia, she's a photographer, and she actually literally just launched her own brand. It's called the Modest Mama. They have these like photography dresses for maternity shoots that are like hijabi friendly, and it's literally perfect. It's so simple and elegant and gorgeous. I was looking at those like big ruffly, I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but they're kind of like a trendy maternity photo dress. I can insert a picture of what I'm talking about, but I think those are gonna go out of style, and I think one day if I was to wear that I would be like, what the heck was I wearing? So this is so much more timeless and I'm really excited.
What does a kitty cat say?
Oh no. It's a scary cat.
This is a scary cat.
That's a scary cat. Coming to get you. I'm coming to get you.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a good idea. This is a good idea.
Or do you want to do some with kind of like your arms wrapped around?
Sure, we can do that.
Okay, so kind of just step behind her a little bit and kind of wrap your arms around her belly. Just bring your face over just a little bit. Perfect.
Dr. Violena on the treetop.
Yeah, she's like,
She's a big baby.
love this vintage basket. We just finished up the maternity shoot and Elena did not the greatest. We are not completely past the tantrum phase, but we did get some really cute ones anyways somehow. So I can't wait to share them with you. And right now she's eating some cookies and drinking some water because she had a really hard,
Yeah, it was totally a rough time.
rough, you know, photo shoot. It is the next day. We had a really good photo shoot yesterday. I think we got some really good pictures. I can't wait to show you guys. Today we are finishing up a couple last minute things for baby. I just sanitized all of his pacifiers and his bottle. I literally only got one bottle. Maybe I should have gotten more. We're gonna be putting in the car seat in the car, so let's go to the garage and see because Omar's already out here. How's it going?
Let's see. Forgot how to do.
I know. You got it?
I got it.
All right. Gonna have no space in my car anymore.
Literally.
We have Elena's seat and baby's seat. Nobody can ride with us.
It's time for a mom car upgrade.
I know. I think I might need a bigger car.
I think we're gonna get you a minivan. What do you think about that?
We'll talk about it later. Jiggle it, see if it's secure.
Good to me. I mean, it's gonna shake a little bit, but it's not going this way.
Yeah. All right, we're good.
I think we're good.
Good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I feel a lot more prepared for the baby. The only thing I really need to do is get the bassinet out, but it's gonna take up a lot of space in our bedroom, so.
We'll wait until
The last minute.
we're moving to the hospital.
Yeah.
I mean, we're going to the hospital to get that out. So.
Yeah, but anyways, my next vlog, I am going to be packing my hospital bag, getting all that stuff ready. I'm actually doing that today. Make sure you're subscribed and like this video if you liked it, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.